Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your lady Mommy Juliet TV, one of Paris. How are you people doing? I hope everyone is doing fine, everyone is doing wonderful. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please always share me out, drop your opinion, because it's good for someone to be saying something and you are seeing comments and people are sharing you out. My country people, I beg you share me out, make people see they watch my video. I thank you now to subscribe to my channel, and I thank those that will come across my YouTube channel or my page. Please follow me so that you will learn a lot. We'll learn together, we'll dance together, we'll gist together, we'll do everything together, and we'll do giveaway together. Thank you everyone. If you are looking for husband, you are looking for your match, your good man, your good woman, you can call me and I will arrange it for you. Thank you everyone. So today's video I'll be talking about 3 friends. So these 3 friends, they date together, they be best friend, you understand? So he never, as because they play, they come, so he never say now the other one come marry, because I go to call the A, B, C, so that I know the one I talk. So now the A come marry, as the A come marry now, so she date husband as, and her 2 friends where she like never marry. So she can't see this bros for Italy, and she dey look for wife where she want, where you want marry her. So now he can't tell this friend. Now she can't tell this friend, the B one. Can't say, my friend, one bros they look for wife where you want marry. I don't know if you go get interest. The boy dey Italy. Now the girl say no, you don't need anybody dey Italy. I thought you don't need anybody dey Italy. So because he dey Italy now, and the boy say if you want me, may you come where you dey, he will come. Even where you dey, even better pass where in dey. He said no, you don't need that. You know your feet, you know fit take care of anybody, you know fit take care of any man. So now the girl come leave her. Now the girl come go meet C. Because see, oh my friend, he get one bros who say he need wife. I come suggest and say you don't reach to marry me, you go marry. Since he does marry, not be so money you go dey look for me the hustle. So you come marry this bros. Now the girl come say where the bros dey, now she come say he dey Italy. Now the girl come say okay, no problem, he go try it. Since the bros ready to marry, so he ready to settle down. You know me say he dey Italy. If he come get in there, if you don't see if he come, they will arrange life together. Now the girl come say okay. So now the girl come exchange the 2 number. So they took they call each other, and this A not say C say in the fair tell B say C what they happen. So now they come start. And it's not they play, not do. They come born, they don't marry. This the A can't get 3 children. The C can't get 2 children. So now they come there together. So if the B can't call the A, maybe the A they busy, they take care of children, and she go call tell the B say I bet my sister no vex, I will call you back when you finish what I do. So where the A they call the B now, the B no carry food again. She will call the vex say why she go say she dey busy, and the matter they go on like that. The get the vex, and the A no know what the get the vex for, because the girl not say put her for mind. She say maybe like normal thing, maybe or she dey busy. So anytime where the big take carry food, you go say they call you since no carry, go say hey, he dey busy. Now the A come and say which kind busy they busy nowadays. Not be say you don't marry, you not get pikin will be say they cry for your hand. When they call you since 3 days, you go to say they dey busy. You go say no, he dey busy oh, now he cause oh, he dey busy. He want face his life oh, he want do this, he want do that. Go use it direct. The boy not see, the girl not see this a friend. So if this B can go see house, you go tell the C say that their friend that A, she not like him oh. The way they do pass itself, she your 8 time. If you even see where you take collect your husband, say go collect her. The C go dey imagine say no they quarrel. Who shall quarrel? No quarrel. You go say no, they don't dey quarrel. So where the B, sometimes you will say they come the A house, the A go allow me to come the house. we will come the house and this morning when maybe your husband they talk your happy go say, hey, yo too much, why you dey do like this, yo too much, why you dey do your husband like this, you too dey talk, why you dey do like this. Person will talk to you, no go answer. If you talk na wahala, if you not talk na wahala. So the echo dey imagine say, what if they wanted this her friend, abi wan come spoil, abi wan come spoil her house. So the AO can't go me be say, he don't know what they happen. Anytime when this get take come the house, he and your husband they get issue. He don't know what they happen. He don't know why she dey always dey vex. Now the second line say, my sister, you need to be careful because this be he not like you. He say you don't marry, you don't husband, they do part of sex because he dey husband, of course he don't born. If you even see chance to collect that your husband self, he go collect. If you not even collect, he go scatter the marriage. So wetin you do am? Why she dey vex? So let the lady come say, she not do anything. You dey all of us dey play together. You know they do anything. You don't know wetin you do am. So they can't rest. So where the A come born the fourth baby, this girl can't come. This girl come because say this Europe don dey born many now. Why you go born for? As he born till you never reach, he born boy, he born girl. What you call dey born for? Let the girl come say now what you want not be that you want me your give birth to 4 children and he don't give birth to the 4 children finish. He don't rest, he no go born again. You know they work. Now let your husband go to carry out the whole load for his head. Then the girl can say, as he born this one finish, now he don't born finish now. Very soon, now if this one reach like 10 months, you go put her for daycare. So she will go look for work and she go dey take the CC born. She go the house. When you go that one house, you go your dress as friend. We be say your friend they marriage as if you want to go where they dey, you need to dress well. No, your dress like say you want to go stand for road, like you want to go stand for road. They also. So we go read there, you go look your husband. So where do you want to go there? You go use with your husband. Where do you want to go? You go close the mouth. He go say, what do they talk women? They say if I dey come out close me, they say nothing, nothing. This husband, hey, he can't find. Will not be say he be before. He can't find. He can't do this one. He can't do that. You go look am. So because they carry themselves, they go. Not be one day this big go tell person say, if you not see what he do, this is two friend. If you not feel collect their husband, he go start the marriage. Anybody come and say, what if they can't do you? Ain't they say all of them like very close friend or be tight friend? And she can say no, their friend don't end long time ago. See, they be three, the two don't their husbands. He know their husbands. He know their husbands. Nobody they answer. I want to enter husbands. If you even see what he go kill the two, he go do one. If you know if you collect their husband. So the thing can't shock this the other girl because this big don't get on that friend. Come shock and come say, but you know say all of them they close. Now you always say if you now you say hello finish will be say they talk. So this girl need to come look for this her friend number. Come call this her friend say he want to in and she with her friend. And she can say okay what they have because say very very important about their life. So now the girl call see friend say make they go. So they want go block. They can't go block this girl. They can't expect everything for this. Say no need to leave. What you want do this girl? Say this girl say you the husband where she be one man now you give this your friend. Now the girl can say no. He tell your friend say see what it happen man deal. He say you don't want say na Italy you don't want this and this. You not fit anybody. You not fit do this anybody. And this boy not be person way lazy. He expect to he don't want. Now he come introduce and give you that one. Then they don't want to carry on. The boy come. Then tell us if the boy come not like how you be, you go put the boy to your own taste. Tell her the kind clothes we go dey wear. Tell her the kind clean we go dey rub. So far the boy will feel see any work you see if na black job you feel work. It dey okay. So this our friend, you know here. Na so they are our friend take marry her. How the girl come explain to her and you go and say wetin I go do. I need to stay away for this na friend I need to stay away for this now friend. I know say you not fit carry another man give her. Una stay away for this now friend before you come poison your children, poison your husband, poison your children. All of them go day. Or if you poison your husband, poison your children. Anyone you want to for inside, so make the marriage scatter. So now all these two friends also okay they hear they know what they do. So anytime we be say this big uncle say, hey, on a day after they come, they will say, no, they not there, so they travel. They do this, they do that, because they don't want me to get the come the house again, they come the dribble the girl like this, the girl come the vet. The girl will say, come, you go come press bed, the day as they open door. So the girl can imagine, what he come up, we don't open door for them. Not people they come say for road, then the girl can say, if they call or not they open door because no born, no marry, then make you call they do one like that. Nothing, yo, because they don't know your plan again. They don't know what they do again, they fear. Because not be so you be before, you don't know what enter your body. If you say na marriage, then they find you tell person will help you look for. But if you want person, you say me you look for your own, you not go see. So they say they call each other once in a while, but they don't agree with this boyfriend they enter the house again. So let they come and say, what they will come do? Maybe they all leave the girl, or maybe they see they follow the girl, but for them to follow the girl, their life they risk. You understand? Their lives they risk. I can tell the girl say, for me, I think say you enter the house again. So let they come and say, what they will come and say, what they will come do? Maybe they all leave the girl, or maybe they see they follow the girl, but for them to follow the girl, their life they risk. You understand? Their lives they risk. I can tell the girl say, for me, I think say your life they risk. Now if they talk for four, even for self, even they risk because you not even know what you want to put for math to now. Because this life person dey so people put something for math, they put craze for people body. That's what for my opinion, I think say muna just abandon am, muna leave am, me just dey go yo. If you call them, muna dey carry for even shot, muna just block am for una lie. So if you see for road, you know, if you just say hello, na waka pass am. So now this our sisters, cause say, man, bring this issue out. So muna still drop una opinion, waiting they want do. Whether may they still continue they allow the girl they come their house, or may they just stay away for this their friend, because three of them they be very very good friends for many years. Many years. When they say they be friends, they take out Europe. You understand? They go together. But you because say and they need one man we don't they I now made this girl lose this man. And now they take all the pain now. So I beg wanna drop na comment, wanna drop na opinion. How they will take help this girl, whether they call her, they look for another man for her, or maybe they all abandon and beg my brothers and sisters, my mommy and my daddies. I beg wanna drop na comment so that she go see the comment, she go read the comment, she will know what she want to do, she will know what she not go do. So now I be waiting I bring come today. As now go see and I show video, I see my come draw this video. So now thank you, una do when they watch my video. I beg when they share me out. Maybe they watch my video, when they share my video, when they share me out. When follow me for my Facebook, when subscribe to my YouTube. As now do that, God Almighty, we dey heaven go bless you, and go bless my generation. Thank you everyone for watching this video, and I will see you now for my next video. Have a wonderful time. Bye bye.